We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God in order to build a just and humane society and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations, promote the common good, conserves and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace. The order and promulgate this Constitution. Article 1. National Territory. Article 2. Declaration of Principle and State Policies. Article 3. Bill of Rights. Article 4. Citizenship. Article 5. Suffrage. Article 6. Legislative Department. Article 7. Executive Department. Article 8. Judicial Judicial Department. Article 9. Constitutional Commissions. Article 10. Local Government. Article 11. Accountability of Public Affairs Officers. Article 12. National Economy and Patrimony. Article 13. Social Justice and Human Rights. Article 14. Education, Science and Technology, Arts, Culture and Sports. Article 15. The Family. Article 16. General Provisions. Article 7. Article 17.